So some of my subscribers have requested that I make some holiday recipes for you guys. And since the holidays are right around the corner, we are going to be making a delicious pineapple honey glazed ham. So let's go spice things up. The first thing you'll want to do is start out with a ham. This is a bone-in ham and it's 11.5 pounds. We are going to take off the packaging and put it in a roasting pan. Alright, so I put my ham in the roasting pan, and the roasting pan just makes it so much easier for me. I did trim off some of the skin off the top of the ham so that the flavors will go directly in the ham. So now what you will need is some pineapple slices and my favorite cocktail cherries and some toothpicks, and I just cut them in half. So we are going to take a slice of pineapple, put it right on the top, take a cherry, put it right in the middle, and then take your toothpick, put it right in the middle of the cherry and right into your ham. And we're going to do this all over your ham, just like this. And then you'll have a little bit of pineapple juice left in the can, and you'll just want to put that right over your ham. This will just give it an extra flavor. And now you will want to go ahead and put your lid on the top of the pan. And if you do not have a roasting pan, you can go ahead and use a pan and put some foil over the top. Okay, so now we're going to put our pan in the oven at 375 for 1 hour while we work on our glaze. Okay, so we are going to work on the glaze, which is 1 cup of honey. And now we are going to add 1 cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of molasses. Now I'm using sugar and molasses because actually I ran out of brown sugar, and brown sugar, all it is molasses and sugar. So if you run out, you can make your own. But if you don't want to do it this way, you can just do 1 cup of brown sugar and 1 cup of honey. Now I have my burner on medium heat, but you can always turn it down lower. And I'm going to mix all the ingredients together. Now this is optional, but we are going to add a few cloves into our glaze just for that extra flavor. And then while this turns into a glaze, the cloves are going to kind of cook in the glaze, and we are going to get that awesome clove flavor. All right, so the sugar has dissolved and melted into the honey. The cloves have been cooking in this and it is ready to put on our ham. Okay, so I just took the ham out of the oven. It has been cooking for 1 hour. And now we're going to take the beautiful glaze that you just made and we are going to pour it right over your ham. And we're just only pouring half of it over, and we're going to put it in the oven uncovered for 15 minutes longer, and then we are going to put the rest of it on for another 15. And after a total of 30 minutes, 15 minutes half the glaze, 15 more minutes with the rest of the glaze, your ham is done with a total of 1.5 hours cook time. Now it's time to eat. Happy holidays. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Happy holidays and stay safe this winter.